Like, subscribe, and get notified.
The Thalegao village panchayat carried out demolition of an illegal structure by the new Thalegao road on Monday. Sarpanch said that sufficient notice was given for the residents to remove the structures and even a hearing was held, but no action was forthcoming from their side. So demolitions had to be carried out. One resident said that no notice had been served.
So they have not given any notice before breaking this. They are from past 2 months we were just delaying. We all sorted out. They also said that take this behind. We took everything behind. They told us to take this behind or give a break. We did everything. We did everything whatever the panchayat said. They did not give us a heads up that they are coming to break it. So why suddenly without any letter, without any notice they have come? Before that also they had told we also sorted out with them. But now again like this, we told them also it's a family matter. The brothers are only complaining about it. There's nobody else who have problem with this. This is not yesterday's or today's. From past 6 years we have running this business. But and that time nobody had a problem. Now why only us? There are other establishment also on the way.
Yeah, but
and it is not also in somebody else's property. It is our property also.
It's illegal property.
Yeah. It's illegal property. Our property only.
It's illegal property.
Yeah, it's a legal property.
So then why?
Also other shops to be demolished.
Yeah, why the other shops are not getting demolished? Why only us today without even getting a letter?
So you did not get any notice till now?
No, nothing. Nothing. It was all sorted out. We even did everything. They said, okay, you'll put everything behind. It's fine.
So without notice they have taken the thing?
Without notice. Can you see any panchayat people here? Nobody is there. They are not giving any notice. Nothing. No letter.
Without notice, without letter.
Yeah. Why they have given this? It's our property.
It's a legal property. For this they have not given you notice.
No, demolition notice was served to everyone, not only to us. Everyone it was served. But they are, so if they are coming to break, they have to give us a notice that they are coming to break within 22 hours. Be ready, whatever something. They have nothing to do. Nothing. They say it's confidential.
So why do you think this is happening?
This is especially targeting us only. It's just targeting our small shop, nothing else. They are not.
But did you spoke to Mamladar or ward members?
They are not giving us time. How? They are just started breaking and they are not giving us any time. 20 minutes. Can you get an order in 20? Stay order in 20 minutes. At 20 minutes it will take for me to reach the pension to the advocate only.
खूप कंप्लेन आयिल्ली आसलेली एक तर ट्रॅफिकाकूय प्रॉब्लेम जातालो तेंचे रातचो सुरमा बिमाचो सगळें चालू आसलें आनी इट वॉज अ कंप्लेन आनी वीच वी हॅड टू एक्ट पूण तेंकां आमी हियरींग दिवन सगळ्यांक आपयलें तेंच्या भावांक आमी हियरींग घेतलें आनी तेंकां सांगलें बाबा तुमचें कितें पळय भायर येयलेलें आहा तें सगळें तुमी भितर घेयात विच इज इल्लीगल आनी तुमच्या मदें तुमी काबार करात म्हणून तें सो तेंकां आमी टायम खूब दिलो वी गेव टायम फॉर देम बट द टायम इज अप nothing was happening from their side.
कोणाची शॉप आशिल्ली ते?
तो सायमन म्हणून भाव
गोयकार. ओके. एन्क्रोचमेंट आसलो.
या इट वॉज ऑन द फुटपाथ आमी पळय तेंच्या शॉपांनी पासून भितर येतले जाल्यार सगळे बायक भायर आसतात आमी तेंकां सांगले पासून पळय अशें अशें आहा तुमी कितें आसा तें सामकें करून घेया म्हणून.
Notices have already been sent and village panchayat has urged owners of other illegal structures to themselves carry out the demolition, Sarpanch Maria Fernandez said.
एन्क्रोचमेंट केला.
रोडाचेर एन्क्रोचमेंट केला पळय तितल्यांकूय आमी नोटीस धाडलेले आहा वॉटेवर इट इज प्लीज टेक इट इनसायड आनी तेंकां आमी सांगला पासून पळय आमी करून सोदिना यू ऑल मोडपाक बिडपाक वी आर गिवींग यू ऑल टायम सो यू ऑल गेट इट डन वॉटेवर इज इट.
हायकोर्ट